What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete Facebook account permanently. So for that we have to head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, just make sure you have logged into your desired account and then tap on the three lines on the top right. And from here head over to the settings option and in here go to account center. Now go to personal details. Now go to account ownership and control. Now go to deactivation or deletion section. In here, select your Facebook account. Now tap on deactivate or select deactivate. So as you want to delete your account, just select delete account, and it says when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Just tap on continue and tap on continue again. Give Facebook the reason why you want to delete your account. Tap continue again and tap on continue. Here you have to enter your password or your Facebook password. Once you do that, just tap on continue and your Facebook will be deleted permanently. But I just need to let you know that there is a 30 days buffer time. If you change your mind, you can log back in anytime and the deletion process will be stopped. So yeah, this is for today. We'll see you in the next